Check out this insane phone rig from APEXEL. This thing is crazy. It's a shooting grip, so you can easily hold on to your phone. Even the shooting grip has a lot going on here. So you connect it to your phone with Bluetooth and you have a shutter button so you can start and stop recording right there. But also you can pull this thing off and use this as a remote control so you can be away from it. It also has a battery in there and you can plug this thing into your phone and it'll keep it charged up. Now it slides into your phone easily here and there's some knobs to turn and lock it into place. And you can see you got a cold shoe mount on the top here. You have a bunch of quarter thread mounts, cold shoe on the bottom, quarter thread mounts. So you can, hook on other accessories or sit it on a tripod if you need to. Then you have this plate that connects on to that part. And that's where you're gonna put all those APEXEL lenses and accessories on this plate right here. They just screw in and you can tighten them in place, and then you can easily line them up using the up and down and the little swivel to line it up to the lens that you're needing to use. So this one right here is the macro lens, and we can use this to get some really, really cool macro shots, but they also have a ton of other really good lenses, or any lenses with the 37mm screw thread, or you can put on this attachment to go from 37 to 52mm, anything, so that if you have any other bigger lenses, it'll fit that. So now your phone has this crazy awesome setup where you can easily throw on different lenses. Great quality as well, and just a lot of fun to play with and show people this thing and show the footage off too. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.